Good afternoon, students. How are you? Okay. Today our topic is types of enzymes. So, enzymes based on chemical composition. Enzymes are two types. That means chemically enzymes are two types. They are simple enzymes and conjugated enzymes. First one, simple enzymes. Simple enzymes made up only with protein. That means simple enzymes contain only protein parts. Example, pepsin, trypsin, rennin, etc. Pepsin, trypsin and rennin, others belongs to simple enzymes. That means these enzymes contain only protein parts. Next one, conjugated enzymes. Conjugated enzymes, they made up with protein parts and also non-protein parts. That means conjugated enzymes, they contain protein parts and non-protein parts. In conjugated enzymes, protein part is called apoenzyme. And non-protein part is called cofactor. In conjugated enzyme, protein part is called apoenzyme, non-protein part is called cofactor. In previous class, I told you all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes, because in the first case, simple enzymes made up only with proteins. So here the total simple enzymes are proteins and all proteins are which are present in simple enzymes. So all proteins are enzymes. Next, in conjugated enzymes, here conjugated enzymes are proteins, but here the total protein not a conjugated enzyme, because conjugated enzyme contain protein part and non-protein parts. Okay, and protein parts and non-protein part, that means apoenzyme and cofactor, both are also called holoenzyme. So another name of conjugated enzymes is holoenzymes. Next, cofactors. Cofactor, it is very important, 4-mark question. So cofactors are non-protein parts in conjugated enzymes. Cofactors are three types. First one, prosthetic group. So prosthetic groups are organic compounds. Prosthetic group made up with organic compound. They tightly bound to apoenzyme. So prosthetic groups, they tightly bound to apoenzyme. Example, heme. Heme is a prosthetic group or cofactor in peroxidase enzyme. The prosthetic group of heme is a cofactor in peroxidase enzyme. Peroxidase enzyme, it is divide hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Next, second one, coenzymes. Coenzymes also organic compounds. Coenzymes also organic compound, but they loosely bound to apoenzyme. Coenzymes are loosely bound to apoenzyme. We can remove coenzymes from apoenzyme by dialysis process. So we can remove coenzymes from apoenzyme by dialysis. Example: NAD, NADP, FAD. These coenzymes present in dehydrogenase enzyme. NAD, NADP, FAD. These are coenzymes. They are present in dehydrogenase as a cofactor. NAD, NADP also present in niacin vitamin. Next one, third, metal ions. Metal ions are inorganic compounds. Metal ions are inorganic compounds and loosely bound to apoenzyme. Metal ions also loosely bound to apoenzyme. Example: molybdenum. It is a metal ion in nitrogenase enzyme. And magnesium ions. Magnesium is a metal ion in kinase. Kinase enzyme. So cofactors. Three cofactors. Metal ions. Prosthetic group coenzymes are organic compounds, but metal ions are inorganic compounds. Prosthetic group tightly bound to apoenzyme, but coenzyme and metal ions loosely bound to